Greetings everyone and welcome back, this is Marco and today we are taking a look at the Asahi Pentax 28mm f3.5. Longtime viewers will know that I have been slowly putting together a set of Asahi Pentax-M lenses, but I was still lacking something on the wide end, until I managed to get my hands on this 28mm. So let's jump right in and take a closer look. The lens is made out of metal, it weighs 170 grams, it is 36 to 40 millimeters long, and it has an external diameter of 63 mm with a 49 mm front thread. The Aries has 5 blades, the aperture is clicked and it goes from f3.5 to f22 with half steps. The focusing ring is rubberized, it turns 110 degrees and minimum focusing distance is 30 centimeters. Flange distance for the Pentax K mount is 45.46 millimeters. The focusing ring is smooth and it has enough resistance to not be knocked around, while the aperture needs just a bit more force. The lens feels solid, it is compact and lightweight, and it doesn't really throw off the balance of your camera. Sharpness wide open is great in the center, but it gets softer towards the edges. By f8, there is just a bit of fuzziness in the corners. Chromatic aberration is almost absent and you really need to pixel peep to see any. Colors are pleasant and a bit warm, but not too punchy. Specular highlights have harder edges but no artifacts, and backgrounds don't feel as busy as other 28mm. Flares and ghosting are very well controlled, just as the other lenses in the series. And now let me show you some samples. You might remember that I used to own a Cosina 28mm f2.8 with a Pentax mount, and I was very satisfied with the images it produced. So much so that I actually considered putting it in the Asahi set. Looking back now at that review and comparing the images, I would say that the Pentax is a bit smoother, But still, the Cosina is a solid alternative, especially for that wider aperture at a lower price. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with this 28mm. Sure, I would prefer the 2.8 version, but honestly, I don't have any complaints about this one. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!